Hi everyone, I just bought the new Solo Slim Sandals. It comes with this mesh bag, reusable, really functional. They're pretty light. I got the red ones. They come with some instructions and a sticker. That's nice. Whoops. Oh, beautiful. Here they are. Really nice and very flexible. Okay, they look very similar to the regular Solo. They still use the X strap from the Source company. Very smart. They're very lightweight, and the only difference is the strap. They're quick drying, and I'll say lightweight. Very functional on a hike, for the end of the day, for daily use, and for slippery surfaces. The Solo Slim, and this is my previous ones, the regular Solo. These are smaller because I bought one size down, number 40, and this is 41. So maybe it's just and the difference in the color, but you can see that the regular Solo has a much thicker straps. Those are much narrower, but the same thickness. Yeah, they also have these have the two layers, also this one, but I don't know if you can see, the one is the upper sole and the one is the lower part is also, it's just the same as this, but this is inner sole is a different color. This is black, so it's more visible on the old one. But as you can see, they have the same strap system. Both are very non-slip surface, and they do have a 2-year warranty. Regarding the weight, I found that size 40 sandals Solo Slim weigh 390 grams. Let's weigh the sandals. One sandal. Let's put the other one. So they are a bit lighter weight than the regular Solo. Let's try them on. Loosen the buckle. Loosen the buckle. Make sure that everything is to your liking. Tuck. Close the buckle. Here the same. This is the perfect size for me. Wonderful. Very sturdy. And you feel, see, I'm trying to move my feet. They're very, very sturdy on the ground. I've heard that the Source company is planning to phase out the regular Solo. So if you like the thicker straps, get them. But if you like the more minimal look and a bit more lightweight, the perfect, I really like those sandals. So after walking in my new Solo Slim Sandals, I can say they're very comfortable. They feel just like walking barefoot. I'm glad I got them. That's my first impression from the Solo Slim Sandals. So if you want to hear another review after I've used them for a few months, let me know. If you want to see some more reviews like this, please let me know. And if you like this review, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye! See you. Bye. See ya. Bye bye.